The purpose of this analysis is to explore health-related outcomes, including diabetes rates, premature mortality rates, healthcare costs, preventable hospital stays, and poor mental health days in relationship to a variety of social determinants of health, including median household income, food insecurity, and race at the county level. For the data visualization, it is recommended that you enter full screen mode by clicking the icon in the lower right corner. The upper left table of this dashboard shows the premature mortality rates for each state. The graph in the upper right displays the average CMS reimbursement rates for each state. The scatter plots displayed in the top row display the relationship between diabetes rates and scores of income inequality, food insecurity, and number of preventable hospital stays. The bottom row of scatter plots displays the relationship between the number of preventable hospital stays and median household income, income inequality scores, the percentage of the population that do not have access to healthy foods, and residential segregation scores. We will filter this data to just Michigan by selecting MI from the upper left table. Here, we can see that the average Medicare reimbursement for Michigan is approximately $9,800. In Michigan, we find a slight negative association with income inequality. This can be interpreted that in counties with a greater divide in the proportion of the population that are wealthy versus in poverty, there's a lower rates of diabetes. There doesn't appear to be a strong relationship with rates of food insecurity or number of preventable hospital stays. When looking at the number of preventable hospital stays and how that is related to other metrics, there appears to be the strongest relationship with income inequality. When the number of preventable hospital stays increases, the income inequality rate also increases. This means that as the divide of wealthy to poverty increases, there appears to be a higher number of preventable hospital stays. This dashboard can establish the relationship between socioeconomic status and health outcomes, which may reveal opportunities for intervention to improve the health of people in certain geographic areas.